Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and in my parents' kitchen. Today we're gonna make a avocado mango smoothie with 3 ingredients. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna do 1 cup of almond milk, and there's a cup right here, so we're just gonna do 1 cup. Okay, that's 1 cup. And then we're supposed to do 1 cup of frozen mangoes. I cut these are the champagne mangoes. Let me show you. If you ever get these kind of mangoes, these are the champagne mangoes. These are better and way tastier. Okay, so you need 1 cup of sliced frozen mango chunks. So we're just gonna dump a cup. Maybe like 1 more. Just put the rest. Just put the rest. Yeah. Okay, so those are kind of semi-frozen. I did it this morning. And then half an avocado. Okay, so we're gonna cut this avocado in half. And, ooh. Okay. It is nice and ripe. So I guess when it's really dark, it's, ooh. Oh, yeah. That. Yes. All right, let's see if. Oh yeah, how smooth was that? Smooth, easy, okay. All right. Okay, we're gonna scoop this out and put the half pitted avocado into the smoothie. Oh my God, this is so easy. Easy, lemon squeezy. Oh yeah, oh, beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, now we're gonna blend like so. This is finished. We're gonna try out our avocado mango smoothie. Mom, you wanna try? I'm gonna try out my own creation. Bon appetit. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. Ooh. It's creamy, and then you have a hint of mango sweetness in it. And I like that it's very whipped with my smoothie because I don't like it too juice watery type smoothie. But this is great consistency. So if you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, please. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.